Do you know you can actually make money from TikTok? Yes, you heard me right. Just by what creating an international account, and which I'm going to be giving you this tutorial video after this. This international account I'm going to be teaching you on how to create it just by what using your VPN. You can what create UK TikTok account or US TikTok account. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you this. You follow this video step by step so that you not miss any part of it. Because many people have come with this complaint. I don't used to make money on TikTok. I don't used to imagine you're having 40,000 followers, 50,000 followers, and you still don't hear it. You don't know how to make. You are like you cannot make money on your TikTok account. Here's an avenue for you to make money just by what creating US or UK TikTok account, and you monetize your video and they'll pay you according to your views. Using VPN to create UK account or US account means that you'll be eligible for what their monetization, what they are enjoying there, what their content creators are enjoying there. You will be here in Nigeria to be enjoying those things here in Nigeria. You understand? What are those things? Monetizing your videos, those videos that you feel that even if I'll get enough of views, TikTok doesn't pay Nigeria per view. It's just for live stream. Here is an opportunity for you to earn money just by posting your original content and getting your views. Boom, and you start making money. So let's go to our dashboard so that I can teach you how to do this. So we'll be using our Google Play to do this. So you click on your Google Play. We are in our Google Play, you click on search. There's a specific kind of VPN that do this kind of thing. So you type Quark VPN. Quark VPN, here is it. So they will give you different option of Quark VPN. So this is the one, the VPN on blue. This one, it says Speedy Quark VPN Master. So you click on this one. So once you are done with this one, so this VPN has already been installed in my phone. So what we need to do now is just to click on open. Then it will take you to this side. They say smart connect, tap to connect. So I don't want to connect. I want to select the country that I want to make use of their VPN. So you head on this side. Here, look at it. Look at the list of the country that you want to connect with. So they say United States, Germany, Algeria, Canada, Spain, Hong Kong, Netflix. So these are so many of the countries that but for me, I want to use UK as an illustration for you. So you click on UK, that's United Kingdom. So I've already clicked on this UK. So here now, this one I click on United Kingdom. They say I should select the areas. This United Kingdom, the 0103, United Kingdom 125, United Kingdom 1 up to, you understand. So they listed it. So let's click on the first one. So we have already connect to the first one. That's this one, 103, United Kingdom. So now look at what they said. They say server you connect is busy. Please choose another server to try again. Okay, let's choose another server since this server is busy. Okay, let's check on another server. Let's check on another server. See the same Canada. Sorry, see the same United Kingdom, but let's check on another server. Let's check United Kingdom 136. So let's try this. So let's try this. As you can see, it's connecting. Then you click on OK. It is connecting. So now we have already connected to our VPN now. You can now create any account. Let me tell you one thing you don't understand about this. This works on Facebook, works on TikTok, except YouTube. Because once you connect this VPN, you can actually create a US TikTok account or a UK TikTok account. So it depends on the one you want to create. But for me, the one I'm doing here, I'm actually teaching you on how to create UK TikTok account. So we have already connected this TikTok. We have already connected this to my phone now. These have already been connected because there's a logo up in my phone that you know that this I've already connected. So you go to this thing, you go to your you go to this side and search for TikTok. So let's search for TikTok. Let's install TikTok account. So let's install this. So now now as you have already installed, we are installing this now. So now this TikTok is still the app is still installing. But why it's still installing? What I want to tell you here now is that after this now you create any account you create, it will show the location of this VPN that you have already turned to. You understand? So now I'll be teaching you the reason why this thing is taking longer. I didn't expect that this video will be longer like this. So, but what I will tell you is that just see, exercise, more patient, and watch it to the end. Okay. So let this TikTok just finish installing. Then we'll start creating the account, and I will tell you how to know that this is UK TikTok account. Okay. Because one thing is for you to create account with this VPN, so another thing for you to know if it's really UK TikTok account, because I'll be showing you the location. Because now my location now is showing this in UK now as I'm sitting here. I'm in Nigeria, but my location is showing UK. So anything I do, any account I created with this location now, it will still be showing UK. So therefore, this TikTok now I'm about to create now, it will be showing UK TikTok account. So if this video is of help to you, please like and share this video. This video is too longer. Even though I would have teach you in my next video. I'll teach you how to do this and how to create this account on its own. But now I've already teach you how to connect this VPN to turn to UK TikTok account. So please like and share this video.